Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter, or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 13 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Federal Tax Ombudsman Pakistan. A state generates revenue to run its system in the public interest. The system has various programs including the initiatives for the welfare of the subjects of the state. For revenue generation, taxes are imposed by a government of a state under certain law. Taxes including tax and non-tax sources. The citizens of the state pay tax on income and wealth, etc. to the state's exchequer under the relevant law and through laid-down procedure. The citizens of Pakistan also pay tax to the federal government. For this purpose, the government of Pakistan has enforced Income Tax Ordinance 2001. Part 3 of Income Tax Ordinance 2001 provides for filing appeal. Section 127 of the Ordinance IBID contains a ground on which a person may file appeal before the competent authority. According to Section 130(1) of the said ordinance, there shall be established an appellate tribunal to be called the Appellate Tribunal Inland Revenue to exercise the powers and perform the functions conferred on the Appellate Tribunal Inland Revenue by this Act. Section 131 provides for filing appeal before the Appellate Tribunal. It says, 1. Where the taxpayer or commissioner objects to an order passed by the commissioner, appeals, the taxpayer or commissioner may appeal to the Appellate Tribunal against such order. 2. An appeal under subsection 1 shall be a. in the prescribed form, b. verified in the prescribed manner, c. accompanied except in case of an appeal preferred by the commissioner by the prescribed fee specified in subsection 3, and d. preferred to the appellate tribunal within 60 days of the date of service of order of the commissioner, appeals, on the taxpayer or the commissioner, as the case may be. The Government of Pakistan has established Office of Federal Tax Ombudsman. In this connection, Federal Tax Ombudsman Ordinance 2000 was promulgated and enforced in the country. Its preamble provides, it is expedient to provide for the appointment of the Federal Tax Ombudsman to diagnose, investigate, redress, and rectify any injustice done to a person through maladministration by functionaries administering tax laws. The Federal Tax Ombudsman is appointed for certain period under the Federal Tax Ombudsman Ordinance 2000. The said ordinance lays down the procedure of redressal of grievances. The Office of Federal Tax Ombudsman, FTO, has a dedicated website http://fto.gov.pk. The complaint may be filed to FTO in the following manner. 1. A complaint may be filed in accordance with the provisions in Section 10 of the Ordinance, preferably on FTO Form A, available free of cost at the head office and regional offices. Provided that till such time regional offices at Peshawar and Quetta are not established, all the complaints from the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, former NWFP, shall be filed at the head office, and complaints from the province of Balochistan shall be filed at regional office, Karachi. 2. It will be stated in the solemn affirmation that 1. Previously no complaint on the subject was filed at the head office or any of the regional offices. 2. A representation to the senior officer of the Revenue Division, its department or agency, in respect of the allegations contained in the complaint was made, but either no reply thereto was given within a reasonable time or representation has unjustly been turned down, or 3. No representation was made. 3. The territorial jurisdiction of the head office and regional offices shall be as specified in the schedule to these regulations, which may be modified by the Ombudsman by an order in writing from time to time. 4. On receipt of a complaint, the concerned official in the registry shall enter the particulars of the complaint in the daily register, giving it a diary number, issue a receipt thereof, if the complaint is presented personally, and forward it to the registrar. 5. The official receiving the complaint shall assist the complainant in filling out the FTO Form A, if such assistance is requested. The Office of the Federal Tax Ombudsman has also introduced online complaint system through its website, http://fto.gov.pk. However, before filing a complaint, please visit the website of FTO to ensure to file complaint as per requirements of the relevant law. The complainant may also read the Federal Tax Ombudsman Ordinance 2000 available on the website. This lecture has been prepared for creating awareness of the Office of Federal Tax Ombudsman. Attempt has been made to present information as per the relevant legal documents and the website of FTO. However, before filing appeal or complaint etc., appellant or complainant must read the relevant law. This lecture shall not be quoted for making claim or supporting contention for any purpose.